Hello everybody, this is RockstarSwag09 and I am back with you guys with another unboxing video, and today's unboxing video will be on the Pocket Juice Slim Pro dual battery pack charger. This is my first time having this particular brand, but today I was at my local Home Depot and I was looking for some stuff and I came across this. They had a good sale going on and I said, you know what, let me go ahead and get me two of these, because the deal they had, it was pretty cool deal. And I said, you know, it's nothing wrong with having these in case, you know, your lights go out, you have something to charge up a cell phone. And this is just something simple, so I'm hoping that this will be a good brand. But like I say, this is something new to me, and this is a different brand. I already have a other brand, but as you guys can see, there you guys go. I ended up getting two, but I had started opening up stuff and I said, wait, I want to do a video on this. So this one is empty because I have that one in my room, so I'm going to put this up there. But this one right here, I had got ready to open it and I stopped because I wanted to do this unboxing video for you guys, because I know some people be like, well, what is another battery pack that you can get? So here you guys go. I have this is a 5,000 milliwatt internal battery. It's dual USB, has high speed, circuit safe, and I'm guessing you can say that's Tizumi. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing going. As you guys can see on the sides, that side, and of course at the top. And then here is the back with the pretty much all the little information. Ultra thin and powerful. Okay. And as you guys can see, it has the different little things here. And you do have a USB cable that you get that charges the device. There you guys go. So let's go ahead and open this up. Which it had a little tape here, but I had started it and I said, let me just stop. Alright, let's put that right there. And here is the product. As you guys can see, here is the, if I can get it out, I'll just put that right there. Okay, here is the USB cable for the charger device up. Of course, here is your little manual, and then of course the product itself, as you guys can see. And then also it has the indicator buttons of the how much charge it is on this. You have the charger port here, and then you have where you can charge two devices up at the same time. And then there's the side there. You even have a little thing that you can put like a little keychain thing there. There's the other side, and then of course here is the button, the power button. And on the back, here's the back. And let me go to the little manual. So as you guys can see, that's the manual for that side. And then here's just pretty much the directions of what it tells you what you need to do and how to charge it. So let's see, I can show you guys to see that it's okay. So it's down to 3 buttons, so that's not bad. That's normal for some stuff that's, you know, so that's not bad for that. As you guys can see, it has 4, but right now it's just these 3. So let me go ahead and cut this off. Okay, there, it cut off. So pretty much you can put this in your purse, backpack, wherever you store your stuff at. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to write in the comments. Let me know if this is a good idea, bad idea. If you have any other ideas of portable battery chargers, put them in the comments. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Let me know if this, so you guys can see what I get before you guys go and buy all that money, you know, expensive stuff. Don't forget to, subscribe to my page, because I do this for you guys. It's been a long day, you guys. All right, peace out.